Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a blessed day today. So I wanted to come on here and film for you guys and share with you July 2020 IPSY Glam Bag Plus. It does retail for $25 a month plus tax, so it's roughly about $27 and some change, which is not bad at all. I came kind of distracted this time. I think it just had to do with the mailers. So yeah, I will say off the bat, I did peek in and I wasn't 100% happy with this one this month. It's not horrible, but it's not the best that I've gotten. I have been getting such awesome boxes from IPSY lately that whenever I get one that's not my favorite or I don't think it's as good as the previous, of course it kind of like makes me feel a little bit like, you know. Needless to say, majority of the time the box is good, so I'm not going to let this one time affect me or get me upset or anything like that. So this is a card. It says take a break. It's very cute. I do keep all of these for some time because I just think they're super cute. I like to go back and look at them. It just says airplane mode your phone. Put up a mental do not disturb. It's time to re-energize. Whether it's in a living room, dance party, or a bold lipstick, take a break from the ordinary, let loose, and let go with the flow. Where will it take you? And then it just has little staycation, little things there. It does not say anything about the products. It just says that your Glam Bag Plus packing list. Beauty should be fun. That's what we've taken care of, the hard stuff. That's why we've taken care of the hard stuff. There's just one more thing for you to do. It says here, full-sized, no samples here. We secure epic brands to pack 120 worth value of your bag. Personalized pics. We use your beauty quiz to get the perfect match. Products, tips, and tricks. Adorable makeup bag. Monthly info from the pros. So, yeah, that's that there. And I will make sure on the screen after I name each item, or I'll make sure to put here the item and the price that it retails for, since I don't have that here with me. So this is the thing that I chose for this month because there was a lot of skincare and not a lot of great things. And I have so much skincare right now, you guys, it's ridiculous. So I did choose this, not that I needed this. This is the contour blush brush from Complex Culture. The packaging is really pretty. Looks like that. It says, we designed this brush to make your life easier. It's beauty routine shouldn't be we're making things easier with the eco-friendly brush. Really cute. I love the packaging. It says it's luxury dense bristles, 100% biodegradable, handle with matte velvet finish, vegan and cruelty free. This is what it looks like. It's pretty fat. Oh, it's so soft. Wow. This is like so soft. Look how pretty that is. That's really nice. Cannot wait to try that. It says it's a blush brush. I think this is going to be perfect for contouring or even bronzing the skin. Very pretty. Very happy with that. Next things that I see are these Mid-Flower Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizing Mask. And it looks like they gave me 3. That is what they look like. It says that they are hyaluronic acid moisturizing mask, revitalizes your skin with intense, long-lasting hydration. The hyaluronic acid plumps fine lines and diminishes wrinkles, providing an instant filling and smoothing effect. The natural essence of the ancient Chinese herbs and oats soothe irritated, sensitive skin. It says that it's lightweight with a high elasticity, certified and complex with Oikyo-Tech standard, suitable for babies article, whatever that means. So, you guys know I have a weird thing about sheet masks. So it sounds so intriguing. I just don't want to waste one. I may give it a try. I may not. I just have this weird thing with sheet masks, and I always waste them because I cannot stand the way they feel on my face. But I will see. I mean, I have enough to try. I may even pass these on to somebody that may want them. I have a ton of friends that like sheet masks, so I can definitely pass those somewhere. The next thing I see is the Nature's Cartel. This is a shimmer lip gloss in the color VCR Static. It's a 0.07 fluid ounce. Wow, that is very sparkly. I'm not even going to swatch that or try to use it. It's super, super sparkly and glittery. I just want to see if I could smell it. Yeah, I don't know if I would like a gloss that's this glittery and sparkly. I may trade it with somebody or give it to my daughter if all else fails, because it's clear and she probably would really like that because of all the glitter. Get a Ofra, looks like a highlighter. This will be my second owned Ofra highlighter. I had never tried Ofra before, and a friend of mine swapped me for something, and I got one and I tried it and I really, really did like it. So that was really nice. This is in the color Highlighter Glaze. Oh, this is the Nikki Tutorials. I don't think this is the one I have. I have to make sure, but if I do have this, I will pass it. So I'm not going to swatch it just in case. I don't believe it's the one she swapped me for or sent me. So very pretty. Looks like a really nice highlighter. Gonna check before I even touch that. That's really nice. I know those are pretty pricey. I think those Ofra highlighters probably run about 30 bucks, maybe a little bit less if I'm incorrect. All right, the next item is the, what is this brand? Il Maquillage Multi-Dimensional Eye Color and Color Boss. It looks like that. I did see where they were going to send us these. I have not tried anything from this brand. I have heard awesome things about the foundation, but have yet to give it a try. Really like to do single shadows, honestly, you guys. I just think they're like one of those items that I don't find myself even reaching for at all. So I may pass this along. It's super heavy. The packaging is very, very pretty. It's a metalled packaging, very nice. I'm just going to open it and see. Oh wow, that's really nice packaging. It's a really deep, rich brown, kind of shimmery, but not super shimmery. And it's definitely not a matte either. So I'm not going to swatch it until I know whether or not I'm going to be keeping that or if I'm going to pass it along. Just because I'm not really big on single shadows. I like them in palettes better. Okay, and then the last thing I have in here is this cute little bag. It looks like that. It says Wanderlust, and it has this little airplane zipper. It feels kind of like rubber or silicone bag. Looks like in the inside. So definitely like a waterproof bag for sure. It's cute. So there's that right there. So that is everything that I got this month in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. I will definitely, like I said, leave prices and then an overall total for the whole box. And this wasn't my favorite box. I wouldn't say that I'm 100% happy. The only thing I'm probably going to be keeping is the brush and the, Ofra highlighter if I don't have that already. And maybe the bag, I may not keep the bag, I may just pass it. But I'm definitely going to be getting rid of the gloss just because it's too glittery for my liking. The masks as well, there's 3 of those, and I may possibly be passing on the single shadow. So overall, it was okay, but that's okay. Not every month is going to be an awesome box. I mean, it'll be great if it was, but I know that you'll have those times where they're not the best. So that is okay. I will leave my IPSY information link down below if you'd like to use the link at any time. it's not necessary and you don't have to. If you'd like to, it's there, but if you'd like to just go directly over, go ahead. They do have a IPSY bag, which is $12 a month plus tax. Then they have the Plus, which is the one that I get, which is $25 in tax. And then you have the IPSY Ultimate, I believe is what it's called, which I think I want to upgrade to and change this one eventually. That one I believe is $49.99 a month plus tax. So definitely check them out. They do have a lot of awesome add-ons, which I'm going to quickly share with you. I did do a couple of add-ons. The first one was this one here. It is the Cake Natural Luxe Beauty Milkmaid Totally to Die For Velveteen Hand Cream. Candied Oat Milk Cream, Dry Skin Soothing and Beautifying. So I'm not too disappointed about my box this month because the add-ons were really good. I got some good add-ons, and so that kind of makes up for it. But it also came with the French Vanilla Coffee Scrub. I had the, I forgot what the brand is. I'll leave it up here on the screen. But I had the coffee scrub from when I worked at Ulta, and I love it. And so I saw that they had this, and I thought, you know what, I need to get it because I'm almost out of that one. And the coffee scrubs are so nice on the body. Plus, I love the smell. But I got the two of these for $3. You cannot beat that. I think IPSY has some of the best add-ons. And then I got this little set here. It is a Murad Renewing Eye Cream. It is a 0.14 fluid ounce. And then it came with the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Gel Lotion for oily skin types right there. And that was $3 as well. I think that's a really good deal. These are great to just have on hand and also to try the product and see if it's something you like. I know Murad is pretty pricey, and that is the size of that. That's fairly tiny, but you know what I mean, for $3, it's pretty average, so not too bad. So I got those, and then the last thing that I got was, I don't know why it gave me another one of these bags. I think I have one already from an IPSY, but it gave me this bag here, just like that. And if I have two of these, I'll just pass this on to somebody. But it came with these three items here, and I forgot what they were. The first item is the Dose of Colors Let's Cuddle Liquid Matte Lipstick. It looks like that. I believe this set here was $12, if I remember correctly, which is not bad at all. And I think this will be my second Dose of Colors liquid lip. And it might be a little bit light, but what I'm going to do is, I didn't realize the color would be so nude, and I'm so fair. But what I'm going to do is, like this lip I have here, I'll just add some to it because it's a little bit rich, and then just kind of lighten it with that. So yeah, I'm excited to have this. Like I said, it's my second Dose of Colors lippy. So have that. And then it came with a Steve Laurent loose powder in the color Rose Gold. And I have a ton of little loose powders. I don't find myself gravitating to them a whole lot, but I do absolutely love them. I don't know if you'll be able to see the color very well. Super pretty. I kind of already have something similar to this, so I may pass this on. I'm not sure. I got another Ofra highlighter. This is Ofra and Talia Mar, whoever that is. I don't know who these people are. And this one is a little bit more rosy pink. It looks like that. Very, very pretty. So now I officially own 3 Ofra highlighters. Definitely excited about that. And like I said, that was $12. So that kind of made up for my box this month, but I really did like it. And either way, I still feel like I'm pretty sure I got my money's worth with just that Ofra highlighter that came in. So yeah, guys, I wanted to share this with you. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video and you do enjoy unboxings, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That does really help my channel and my videos as well. Take a moment and do that for me. I'd appreciate it so very much. Also, if you are not subscribed, I would love for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well. And also the bell notification so you can be notified every time I upload a video if that's something that you're interested in doing. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.